Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, na Edo man wey do well for him own business for many years. For the year 2007, Godwin put body and he gather money to support the plan of him close friend, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, to make Edo better well. Because he don't always get am for mind say one day he go work to better the lives of him people. Godwin join Comrade government, and na like this the two of them start the ogbonge work. Make I tell you, as economic team chairman, Godwin using knowledge raise money for the government to take do better projects. One of them na the Red Roof matter. It too go well. Comrade sef talk am say na Godwin be the brain wey dey behind the success of him government, and he no collect shishi. Comrade talk am so say na all of us come sabi the story.
Everything we have done, Godwin had hand. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. He knows the challenges, and he knows how to overcome them. To deliver all that he has promised, he will do.
When Comrade government begin reach ending, e come clear say na only him friend Godwin be the kind person wey get the plan to continue the better work wey we don dey see. Na so Edo people vote for Godwin. As the man wey sabi, Godwin do well for him people. He carry Edo comot for the economy wahala wey dey the country. Godwin sign plenty agreements between companies dem and Edo government wey don make am do pass 2,000 projects inside 4 years. Some people begin call Godwin digital governor. Other people begin call am wake and see. Wetin come be the wahala with an election for second tenure? Wait and see. As Godwin enter office, he see say money from local government no dey come as e suppose be, sake of say people wey no follow for government don dey collect tax from people wey get business, people wey wan build on top their land, market women, and even drivers dem. Some of the people wey dey collect this illegal money dey celebrate billions as tigers and lions when government sef never see the money spent. Na so Godwin say the yamayama don do.
You can't say, okay, the reward for political participation, for patronage, is to now have non-state actors beginning to take over state resources. We have a situation when I took over. My local government, Oredo local government, the total internally generated revenues that accrued to Oredo local government as at December 2016 was under 10 million naira. Today, with that same local government, because of the restructuring, earns almost 100 million naira a month.
We have said no to thuggery and thugs ruling us.
Godwin carry scratch card and POS come, make if e be say nobody dey rob Edo people. The people wey first dey collect this illegal money no see am collect again. But again, these people get people wey dey support them. Some na politicians, others na politicians friend. Some of these politicians go poison the mind of Godwin friend wey be APC national chairman. That time, now we come see say Comrade come dey carry himself above the government and the party for the state. Now like this, na the wahala take start. After House of Assembly election, they begin plan to impeach the governor, but Godwin sabi the law and he use am well to scatter their plans to dabaru in government. Godwin do well for him first term. Him projects dey everywhere, we dey see them. Him come talk say make him do second term, make him still do plenty better things for him people them. But these men them don't look am say for the election Godwin go beat them. Now so them start another plan to see say them no allow Godwin join the party election. These men them talk say Godwin will be oga inside money matter, no go school. These men them begin dey lie for newspapers, television, and other media. These men them think say them don't win, but after plenty talk, PDP give their support to Godwin. Godwin Nogegase Obaseki na Edo man wey don carry Edo people matter for head. I believe say you know. Him plan na to see say we get the better life wey we deserve today, tomorrow, and the years wey follow. Now we in government go dey serve, no be godfathers wey be say na money them just wan swallow. Godwin don carry our matter for head. Godwin don dey fight for our right. Time don reach to join am for the fight. On September 19, make all of us come out. Make we vote Godwin Obaseki. Make godfatherism no come back. Make Agberos no come back. Make CDA boys no come back. Make illegal taxation no come back. Make we reject Tinubu. Make we reject all these people wey be say na for their belle na im dem dey think. Make we vote PDP. Put am for umbrella. PDP. Power to the people.